Dining out is part of our lifestyle. With personal hygiene awareness, portable utensil has become essential accessories. But does your cutlery fit for your need? They are usually very difficult to use. Always takes up lots of time to set them up. Or killing your brain cells to figure out how to assemble it. The worst is they get dirty before you could use them. So, A.Brolly have developed Pinchy, the patent design all-in-one portable cutlery to make your eating experience at ease. Pinchy just takes a pinch and flick. You are ready to use. You could slice and cut to scoop with 3 or 4 stainless steel. Even make cooking is possible. Enjoy your lovely steak with Pinchy everywhere. Pinchy is designed with 15 degrees of table. Detachable design makes cleaning extremely easy. Dishwasher and dish dryer are all possible for Pinchy. With pocket-sized Pinchy, you could easily bring along anywhere. Even for camping, it's your most convenient accessories. Stop wasting your time on other utensils. Just enjoy the time with your loved ones.